JILoffice Cork board Bulletin board 48x36 notice board, black aluminum frame wall-mounted board for office, home and school with 10 push pins. Perfect for displaying memories. Surface can be used to mark dates, meetings and appointments. Easy to put notes, pages, documents, photos, graphs and cards on. Create more working, learning and playing experience. Sturdy aluminum frame and back surface, anti-scratch satin black aluminum frame, round nylon corners, natural cork surface, self-healing, sturdy backside, perfect organizer for school, home and office. Multifunction. This cork board is very convenient to do jobs, put your ideas or work plans, and pin papers on the board, make it easier to share your thoughts. Easy installation, fixing kits included, free position mounting design, making it easy mounted on walls. Landscape or portrait. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Please feel free to contact us if you have any issues with your JILoffice products. Our customer service team will try our best to help you. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.